Hey you guys, if you all want to see how I achieved my first wash and go after bleaching and dyeing my hair red, you just want to see how it went, then just keep watching this video. Okay y'all, so this is how I'm starting off. I had washed and deep conditioned my hair the night before and just went to sleep with my hair in 2 braids with nothing but oil in my hair. So this is how it looks after taking down the braids. This is how my color is looking, but I am doing a wash and go today. So to start off, I am splitting my front section from back section because I'm doing an a half up, half down wash and go. So I'm just making sure I get this part right. So I'm just going to section that off and then put the back half up and get started with the front. So the first thing I'm doing is spritzing my hair up with water, and then I'm just going to go straight in with my hard bristle brush and just brush it up into place. And then I'm going to go in with my wet line extreme gel and just apply a nice amount of that across, the whole little perimeter to get it nice and sleek before I tie it up. And I'm actually going to tie it up with 2 rubber bands, not ponytail holders, but rubber bands. So yep, that's what I'm doing. I know a lot of people like to be careful when it comes to using rubber bands on their hair, but I can say I didn't notice any extra breakage or anything from using these instead of ponytail holders. It just held my hair better since this section is a small section, but that's pretty much all I have to say. But now you see me doing little last minute things like making sure it's nice and sleek, adding some extra gel where need be. But now I'm actually going to get started with the back section of my hair, and I'm going to spritz this whole half right here down with water, yeah, so I can detangle it, and you will just see me do that. I got it wet enough. I'm just going to go in with my paddle brush and my Evolve brush, which is kind of like a Demon brush pretty much, and I'm just going to detangle my hair thoroughly, as you can see right here. Just make sure I got all through it, and then I'm actually going to do the same thing on the next side. I'm going to cut that out though, because I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm doing that on both sides, and then I'm going to get ready to apply my product once I'm done with that. So for my leave-in conditioner today, I will be using the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. This is like a holy grail of mine. I've been using it for years, and it's very moisturizing. So I'm going to use a nice amount. I forgot the word I wanted to use, but a nice amount of this today to moisturize my hair and to get it prepped for my next product. And since I bleached my hair, I really did want to make sure I focus on the areas that typically get dry anyways with a lot of products. So right here you see me adding more to my nape, and now I'm going in with my brush to first of all brush all the product through my hair. So after brushing that all through my hair, I'm going in with my most favorite product ever, the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activated Cream. And I'm going in with a nice amount, as you see. This is another holy grail. I've literally been using this and then that leave-in conditioning repair cream since I went fully natural, when I started taking care of my natural hair. So both of these are like holy grails. I know that that react well in my hair. And that's especially what I wanted, since this is my first wash and go since bleaching and dyeing my hair. I wanted something that I know is going to work regardless, and they both work together. So that's what you see me here. That's what you see me doing here right now. After I get done raking that through with my fingers, I'm actually going to go in with my spray bottle and spritz my hair with water. Something that I've noticed since bleaching and dyeing my hair is that my hair does require a little bit more water than normal to, activate the product to allow it to work fully in my hair. But right here you see me detangling my hair, and more than that, I'm about to start lifting my hair up, as you see right here, so my hair don't dry flat on my roots. I want to have a little bit of volume, and in order for me to achieve that on my hair, I gotta like brush it out away from my scalp, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing right here. After doing that and making sure that my hair is nice and defined, I'm going to go in with some more water and just spritz it one last time before I go in with my oil to seal in my moisture. And that's what you see me doing right here. I'm using a generous amount of oil, and I'm going to work that all throughout my hair to seal in my moisture. So now it's time to do my baby hairs. I'm going in with this blue Gorilla Snot Gel in the purple container. It's just as good as the one that's inside the yellow container. And I'm just going to lay my edges. Once again, like I always tell y'all when laying my baby hairs, as you can see right here, I do a swoop motion. So I go down and then back and then just brush it up. And that's how I achieve it every single time. And once I get done laying them, as y'all know, I like to go in with just a little bit of gel and apply that on each swoop just to make sure that it's laid down securely. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how I do that. And then this is my wet results. It looks so bomb. So far, I don't see any damage. I don't think y'all see any damage, and the color looks amazing so far on my wet hair. But now I'm just going to let my hair air dry for a couple hours before I come back and show y'all how I sleep with it to preserve it while it's still fresh. Okay, y'all, so this is the dry results pretty much. My hair is maybe about 80-90% dry right here. So right now you see me putting some oil on my hands because I'm about to pull my hair up into a very loose pineapple or bun or whatever you want to classify it as. And I put the oil on my hands because my hair is super defined. It looks amazing. And I don't want to create any frizz while pulling it up. So yeah, now right here, look at this color, y'all. It literally looks amazing. But before going to sleep, I'm going to put on my bonnet, and that's how I slept. Now, typically, I will come back and show y'all the next day, which will be day 2 hair. Well, I didn't come back, so this next clip that you're seeing right here is day 3 hair. And then later, I'm going to show you the later days, but this is day 3 hair, and it literally looks amazing. The color looks amazing. The curls look amazing. And this wash and go lasted a while, y'all. Like, it lasted 12 days. So just stay tuned to the end of this video to see a later day. Okay, y'all, so as I mentioned in my last clip, I did not record my hair immediately after finishing. The last thing I recorded was me putting my hair up in my bonnet to go to sleep. But this is day 6 hair. Yeah, day 6 hair. And as you can see, it looked good. My first wash and go since dyeing my hair. As y'all saw, I did use Kent 2 to style my hair, but to refresh my hair today, I used the True Naturals Rose Tea Refresher and their superb hair serum, hair growth oil, something like that. I'm sorry. I use those to refresh my hair, and I will have the unboxing and the review to that linked down below. But as y'all can see, my hair looks really good. It has a nice shine, and this is day 6, like I just said. I'm just really impressed by the fact that I did not get any damage from bleaching and dyeing my hair. And that Cantu, those are like my holy grails that I know works every time. So I knew I would get a pretty good wash and go with that. But yeah, but that's about it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.